Today we're going to announce the winners of the Keg DeoxIT bundles and tell you about what else is going on at Parts Express. The Max X subwoofers are officially back in stock. These 10, 12, and 15-inch woofers are designed for maximum excursion and can deliver the deepest bass with power and authority. Order yours today before they're gone again. The weather is warming up and we are doing a little spring cleaning. Parts Express has marked down over 200 products to create some spectacular deals. With everything from amps and drivers to LEDs and power cables, there's sure to be something you need, so go and check it out. The Dayton Audio subline has been tried and true for many years, and now Parts Express is offering them at an even lower price. These finished subwoofers from 8-inch all the way to 15-inch are perfect for just about everyone, and so if you want to change your room dynamics, get one today at their new lower price. During February, we ran a contest where 2 winners would be receiving DeoxIT bundles from Keg, and those people are Rick George from Coquille, Oregon, and E.P. Lund from Sulphur, Louisiana. Congratulations to both of you. We'll be in touch soon. This month, we have a big prize with a value of $2,519. BNC is sponsoring by offering up all the components you need to make a premium quality, high output, 3-way speaker project. Best of luck to anyone who enters, and we'll see you next month.